Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. And we have 3 garage doors here in our studio at Motorhead Garage. And usually when it rains at night, we'll come in and find that there are puddles all over the floor in the morning. So that is why we called Garadry. Ashley Smith is the founder and the managing director at Garadry. Ashley, thanks for being with us.
Hello, Dave. Thank you for having me on your show.
Ashley, in short, what does Garadry do?
At Garadry, we sell an innovative range of weather seals for garages. Our threshold seals are for residential and commercial doors. Basically, the product is a dam for the garage. It stops water ingress in the garage, stops leaves and dust coming in under the garage, and it stops the need for having to sweep out all of the rubbish and dirt and water in the garage on the weekend.
Garadry has a great reputation around the world, and you've been around for a long, long time. So how did the company get started, Ashley?
It all started in 2009. Garadry was formed in the United Kingdom. We started to get quite a bit of interest in Europe, so we started selling the products in France and Germany and Scandinavia. And then soon after that, we branched out to Australia. And then after a few years, we started getting quite a few calls and emails from our American friends over the pond. And we decided to form Garadry LLC in 2017. So we set up a company in Atlanta, Georgia, and we have a fulfillment center in Tennessee where all the products are dispatched to our customers.
How does a Garadry system work?
Basically, the thresholds are stuck to the garage floor behind the door. All threshold kits come with Garadry adhesive, specially formed MS polymer adhesive. How it works, the garage door comes down and sits onto the front edge of the threshold, and the adhesive bonds the threshold to the floor, creating a watertight seal. So it basically forms the dam across your garage, which stops any water ingress coming underneath your garage.
All right, and now the question I'm sure everyone wants to know, what's it like to install products from Garadry?
The products are very easy to install. All you need is a utility knife or a junior hacksaw, and you also need a chalking gun for the adhesive. The products are very simple, and most installations should take a customer under an hour to fit.
I've checked out these thresholds from Garadry, and they're a unique material, something like I've never seen. Can you tell me what they're made of?
Yes, the residential thresholds are made from a material called thermoplastic. Thermoplastic was chosen because it's extremely durable, and it's also the perfect material when a product is in contact with water a lot of the time. The products also have a unique feature to them. They all have co-extruded yellow lines. These co-extruded yellow lines have a really important feature and reason why they're put onto the products. When the threshold is fitted and installed on the floor, it acts as high visibility lines, allowing people to safely step over the product.
I've also checked out Garadry's line, and I see there's a whole bunch of different lengths and heights for the product. Heights from a ½ inch up to 2 inches high, and Garadry has a whole range of lengths so you can be sure their thresholds are going to fit your garage door. Garadry's unique design also means that if you already have a gasket on the bottom of the door, which a lot of you do, you can just leave that on there. The Garadry threshold can work with it to form a watertight seal. And Garadry does more than just residential seals. They also have a range of commercial aluminum seals as well. Those are designed to withstand 50 tons. That's enough to stand up to the weight of trucks, forklifts, pallet jacks, tractors, and even small airplanes. Yeah, a lot of folks use these in hangars as well. You can install Garadry on all types of garage floors, anywhere from asphalt to epoxy to tile and everything in between. Ashley, thanks so much for being with us, and we especially thank you for joining us at this late hour there in the UK.
Thank you, Dave. Thank you for having me on the show. I do appreciate it.
Of course, Garadry is not the only product in the garage seal space, but it is the premium choice. Their products are made in England, where they can ensure quality control on everything that leaves the factory. You'll get a 5-year warranty and great customer service. Plus, here in the U.S., It all ships to you quickly from Tennessee. Take care of those puddles on your garage floor. You can go to Garadry.com to see how it all works. We'll return with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so do not move.
Some high-performance facts. Top-field dragsters are the fastest accelerating manned vehicles on the planet. They can cover a 1,000-foot drag strip in just over 3.5 seconds. The cars burn about 15 gallons of nitromethane fuel over the course of a single run, and the top speed, 338 miles an hour.